Ever wondered how to scale your business with UpPromote? Let's dive into this remarkable platform that's been making waves in the entrepreneurial world. UpPromote is a powerful tool designed to help businesses grow and reach their full potential. It's a platform where you can create and manage affiliate programs, turning your customers into your brand ambassadors. The benefits? Enhanced reach, improved sales, and a thriving online community around your business. What's not to love about that? This video is your go-to guide, your roadmap to mastering UpPromote. We're going to walk you through every step, from signing up to navigating the dashboard, all the way to cashing in on your referral earnings. We'll also share some insider tips and tricks to help you maximize your success with UpPromote. So buckle up and get ready to elevate your business to new heights. Stay with us to learn how to sign up and start using UpPromote to boost your business. Getting started with UpPromote is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's jump right into it. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the UpPromote website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will lead you to a registration form. This is where the magic begins. Now you might be asking, why is accurate information so important? Well, providing precise details during sign-up ensures a smoother journey ahead. It helps avoid any potential hiccups with your account, making sure you get the most out of UpPromote. Back to the registration form. You'll be asked to fill in your full name, email address, and create a password. Remember, it's essential to use a valid email address, as this will be your primary point of contact with UpPromote. Next, you'll need to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. We know it might be tempting to skip through these, but they're important. They outline your rights and responsibilities as an UpPromote user, as well as how your information will be used and protected. Once you've checked the box agreeing to these terms, click on the Create Account button. Voila! You've just created your UpPromote account. But you're not done just yet. You'll be sent a confirmation email to the address you provided. This is a crucial step to verify your account. Simply open the email and click on the confirmation link. If you don't see the email in your inbox, don't fret. Check your spam folder or try resending the verification email. After clicking the confirmation link, you'll be redirected back to UpPromote. You'll now be able to complete your profile by adding more information like your business name and website. This helps tailor the UpPromote experience to your specific needs. There, you're now part of the UpPromote community. Next, we'll show you how to navigate through the platform. You're one step closer to maximizing your business potential with UpPromote. Exciting, isn't it? Now that you're signed up, let's get familiar with the UpPromote dashboard. Straight off, you'll notice the dashboard is designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind. It's a hub where you can access all the features that UpPromote offers. Think of it as your control center for managing and scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. Let's start with the Overview section. This is your snapshot of all the important metrics at a glance. You can see your total earnings, total referrals, and the performance of your affiliate links. It's like a health checkup for your affiliate marketing program. Next, we have the Campaigns tab. This is where you can create, manage, and track your affiliate marketing campaigns. You can set up new campaigns, determine the commission rates, and monitor their performance. It's your one-stop shop for all things campaign-related. Then there's the Affiliates section. Here you can manage your affiliates, view their performance, and even communicate with them directly. Remember, your affiliates are your partners in this journey, so keeping them engaged and informed is crucial. In the Payouts tab, you'll find information about your earnings and payments. You can see how much you've earned, when you'll receive your next payment, and your payment history. It's your personal finance department. The Settings tab is where you can customize your UpPromote experience. You can adjust your account settings, set your preferred payment method, and even tweak the look and feel of your dashboard. It's all about making the platform work for you. And finally, there's the Help section. If you ever get stuck or have questions, this is your go-to resource. It's packed with helpful articles, tutorials, and FAQs to guide you along the way. With this knowledge, you can now easily navigate the UpPromote platform, but how do you get paid? Let's find out. Making money with UpPromote is a breeze. Let us show you how. The process begins with understanding the referral program. The referral program is a simple yet effective way to earn by promoting products or services to your network. It's all about sharing and earning. First, you need to create referral links. These are unique identifiers that track the source of a referral. Creating a referral link in UpPromote is as easy as clicking a button. Simply navigate to the referral links section, click on Create Link, and voila! you have a custom referral link ready to be shared. Now sharing the referral link is where the fun begins. You can share it on your social media platforms, blogs, emails, or even in personal messages. Remember, the more you share, the more potential there is to earn. But remember, always share responsibly and within the rules of the platforms you use. UpPromote has a transparent and easy-to-understand earnings calculation. For every successful referral, you earn a commission. This commission is a percentage of the sale made through your referral link. The more successful referrals you have, the higher your earnings. Payment is straightforward and hassle-free. UpPromote pays out earned commissions on a monthly basis. You can choose to receive your earnings via bank transfer, PayPal, or even as store credit. It's flexible and designed to suit your preferences. Tracking your earnings is also a breeze with UpPromote. The platform provides detailed analytics of your referrals, clicks, and earnings. This way you can monitor your success and make necessary adjustments to maximize your earnings. And just like that, you're on your way to earning with UpPromote. But there's more to this platform than meets the eye. So stick around, because we're about to delve deeper into other features that will help you get the most out of UpPromote. Besides the referral program, UpPromote has numerous features that can help scale your business. Let's delve into a few of these features to see how they can be utilized to maximize profits. One of the key features of UpPromote is its range of marketing tools. These are designed to make it easier for you to promote your products or services, and they can be a real game changer for your business. For instance, the email marketing tool allows you to automate your email campaigns, saving you time and ensuring that your messages reach your customers at the right time. Another feature worth noting is the social media integration. This feature allows you to link your UpPromote account with your social media profiles. It's a brilliant way to cross-promote your products on various platforms, and it's a surefire way to increase your online presence. With the social media integration, you can share your referral links directly on your social media platforms, making it even easier for your network to engage with your business. The third feature we'll discuss is the analytics tool. This feature provides you with valuable insights into your referral program's performance. It shows you how many people have used your referral links, how many sales you've made, and how much you've earned. These insights can help you determine what's working and what's not, allowing you to make informed decisions about your referral program strategy. Lastly, let's not forget about the customizable referral program. This feature allows you to tailor your referral program to fit your business needs. You can set your own commission rates, choose the payout method, and even customize the referral link. This level of customization ensures that your referral program aligns perfectly with your business goals. As you can see, UpPromote is more than just a referral program, it's a comprehensive tool to grow your business. By leveraging the marketing tools, social media integration, analytics, and customizable referral program, you can maximize your profits and scale your business to new heights. Want to get the most out of UpPromote? Here are some tips and tricks. Firstly, let's talk about the creation of effective referral links. Remember, the more specific and relevant your referral link is, the higher the chances of it being clicked on. So instead of using generic phrases, try to incorporate keywords that are relevant to your products or services. For example, if you're promoting a brand of organic skincare products, your referral link could be uppromote.com/organic skincare. This not only makes your link easily memorable but also improves its searchability. Now onto using marketing tools effectively. UpPromote offers a variety of tools to help you maximize your marketing efforts. One of the most potent tools is the email marketing feature. Regularly communicate with your customers about new products, discounts, or special events. But remember, it's not just about the frequency of emails, but also the quality of content. Make sure your emails are engaging, well-structured, and provide value to the reader. Also, consider using the social media share feature. This tool allows you to share your referral links directly on your social media platforms. It's a great way to reach a wider audience and increase your visibility. However, be sure to balance promotional posts with engaging, non-promotional content to maintain your followers' interest. Lastly, let's talk about ensuring consistent earnings. A key to achieving this is by regularly updating and refreshing your referral links. This keeps your promotional efforts dynamic and prevents your links from becoming stale. Also, keep an eye on UpPromote's analytics to understand what's working and what's not. This data can provide valuable insights into your marketing strategies and help you make informed decisions. Remember, success with UpPromote doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a good understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. But with these tips and tricks, you're well equipped to succeed with Up Promote. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Our journey began with an introduction to Up Promote, a fantastic tool designed to help you scale your business with ease. This platform provides a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs and businesses to promote their products or services while also offering a lucrative referral program. We dove into the sign-up process, discussing how quick and easy it is to get started. Remember, the accuracy of your information is paramount. Not only does it enhance your credibility, but it's also vital for receiving your earnings from the referral program. So, double-check those details and ensure everything is correct. Then, we navigated the Up Promote dashboard, your command center for all things promotion. This is where you'll track your progress, manage your promotions, and monitor your earnings. Understanding the ins and outs of this dashboard is crucial, as it puts you in the driver's seat of your promotional journey. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the platform, and don't be afraid to explore each feature, as every bit of knowledge will help you maximize your success. Speaking of success, we also discussed how you can earn with Up Promote. The platform's referral program is a significant highlight, allowing you to generate income by referring other businesses or entrepreneurs. It's a win-win situation. You're helping others discover a great tool while also boosting your own earnings. Following that, we explored how to maximize the features of Up Promote. This platform is packed with tools designed to optimize your promotional efforts. From setting up customized promotion campaigns to managing your referrals, Up Promote offers a plethora of features to help you achieve your business goals. We also shared some tips and tricks for success. Remember, consistency is key in any promotional campaign. Regularly update your promotions, keep an eye on your dashboard, and always look for opportunities to improve. Don't forget to leverage the power of the referral program, a fantastic way to increase your earnings while promoting your business. But perhaps the most important tip of all is this: always be learning. The business world is constantly evolving, and so should your promotional strategies. Stay informed about the latest features and updates from Up Promote, and don't hesitate to experiment with new tactics. Success often comes from trying new things and learning from the experience. In conclusion, Up Promote is more than just a tool, it's a pathway to business success. It offers a simple yet effective way to promote your products or services, all while providing you with a chance to earn through its referral program. This journey may seem daunting at first, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. And today you've taken more than just one step. You've learned the basics of Up Promote, from signing up to navigating the dashboard, maximizing its features, and even some tips and tricks for success. With this guide, you're now ready to scale your business using Up Promote. So what are you waiting for? Start promoting and earning today.